What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers? Today, we're going to be unboxing my Viaterra Mini Claw tail bag, which I bought for my Tram Scrambler 400X. The reason why I bought the tail bag is because I didn't want the additional cost of putting a saddle stay. So this Mini Claw was just perfect for my short trips. I've newly purchased the Tram Scrambler 400X and I did not want to invest a lot of money now in the saddle stay. The bag feels absolutely strong and sturdy. The build quality is very good. That is my first impression, and I'll quickly give you a review of this bag. Now, there are two things that I want you to remember. As you can see, this bag does not come with an inside liner. The reason why, there are two variants of this bag. One which is the 100% waterproof one, and the other one is this one. Now I made a mistake where I should have taken the 100% waterproof one. That bag was costing 4,299 and this bag costed me 3,699. So if you pay the extra amount, you get an inside liner with this bag that makes it 100% waterproof. You get this rain and dust cover for this bag, which makes it 100% waterproof. Once you put this, there are no chances of water going inside the bag. The build quality of the entire bag is fantastic. There are two pockets on either side where you can put all your important stuff that you have to frequently remove from the bag. For example, your toolkit, your tire pressure, air pump, etc. The quality, once again, like I said, is very good. The buckles feel strong and sturdy, and this is the inside compartment of the bag. Nice and spacious, 72 liters. No problem. I took this bag for a short trip to Mahabaleshwar for 2 days and it was brilliant. I didn't have to, once I put the bag on the bike, I did not have to adjust it the entire way. I rode for 6 hours and I did not have to adjust the bag at all. So overall, my first impressions of this bag is absolutely fantastic. This is Viaterra Mini Claw, but take the 100% waterproof one. Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.